Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I tried to update my WhatsApp Messenger application via my Google Play Store, but long time it only shows waiting for download and my updating is not initialized. So how to fix this kind of error notifications in your Android mobile? But other users don't worry about it because this method works, but the setting location is may varying. So how to fix it? So let's go to our tutorial. So first method is, if you are using Wi-Fi connection, just follow me friends. So first of all, open your Google Play Store application in your Android mobile or iOS device. Now in this home page section, you can press that horizontal 3 lines icon and it is placed at the almost top of left side corner, and this icon will help you to access your settings menu. So simply select it and then one sliding window is opening. So here you can go to settings. Now in this settings section you can go to app download preferences and the second one. So here it shows 3 options, but you can select over any network and the first one and then click to save these changes. Now one more time you can click to open the third settings, auto update apps. So just open it. So here also you can select over any network and the same first option and then click to save these changes. So once you've done this overall processes, just close this Google Play Store and once again reconnect your Wi-Fi network. So once your Wi-Fi is successfully connected, now you can try to update your all applications from your Google Play Store, and this is for Wi-Fi users. So next method is, if you are using mobile data network, just follow me friends. So first of all, open your Android mobile settings and then go to more settings. So here you can go to the settings called reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth settings, and it is placed followed by wireless display. Now it shows me dual SIM card names, but you can select your mobile data network SIM card. So here I try to select my mobile network as Jio and then simply press reset settings and it is placed at the bottom. And then it asks for confirmation, so you can select OK. So finally my network settings are resetted successfully. Now you can close all the settings window and don't forget to restart your Android mobile. So after the restarting is completed, now once again I try to update my WhatsApp Messenger application via my Google Play Store. So finally here you can see my WhatsApp page now starts to updating and the previous error notification is successfully gone. So this is the way you can easily fix your Google Play Store error notifications by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.